You need this card. Now I show you how to get this. It's very easy. Istanbul card buy. Just put it over here. Your account balance.
Please put closer your Istanbul card to the card reader.
There is a fee, transaction fee of never ever let anybody. So please be careful, please pay attention. Guys, if you travel to Istanbul, Turkey and want to use public transportation like this, you need this card, Istanbul card. Now I show you how to get this. You can buy it at these selling machines. This one. It's very easy. Select language, English, Istanbul card buy, Istanbul card top up, or 3 pass ticket. But this one is, sorry, Istanbul card buy 165 Turkish liras. But this is only the fee for the card. And then this is the fee only for the card, 165 Turkish liras, but you have to top it up in order to be able to use it. I bought it already. If you buy it for the first time, you have to pay something like 265 plus some taxes. Then you get that. Then you have 100 Turkish liras in it, and you can use it maybe 2 or 3 times for the public transportation there. And I show you now how to top it up. This card, just put it over here.
Yapılıyor. Lütfen nakit yükleme için para girişi yapınız veya kart ödeme için kredi banka kartı tuşuna basınız.
And then you see over here your account balance. As you can see, my account balance is 165.12 Turkish liras. At the moment, I don't have to top it up. You can pay it with credit card. Just put your credit card over here and you get the money in it on the card, and then you can use it. Let me show you once again. After you bought this card, and if you have to top it up, just tap here, Istanbul card, top up.
Please put closer your Istanbul card to the card reader.
And then put your card
Please
over.
wait. Place your credit debit card in the
As you can see, just put it here, and you can see your account balance here, 165.12. And if you want to top it up, tap here, credit card, and now you can choose how much money you want to top it up, like 100 Turkish liras, and then tap OK. And then, as you can see, there is a fee, transaction fee of 3.5 Turkish liras. You have to pay totally 103.5 Turkish liras. Then tap OK, and now you have to put your credit card over here, and it will be deducted from your credit card, and you can receive the money on this one. And then you can just You can just come over here and just tap your card, Istanbul card here, and you can go inside. As I don't need to do it now, if I put it, it will be charged something like 35 Turkish liras. So guys, this is the Aksaray station, tram number 1, Aksaray, in the direction of Kabataş. And guys, something to remember or consider: never ever let anybody, anyone to help you with the Istanbul card, buy or top up, as you will be scammed. No matter where, no matter how old he or she is, no matter how he or she looks like, they're gonna trying to help you, but in fact it's a scam. Please, so please be careful, please pay attention, and just choose your language. It's German, English, Spanish, Italiano, and Turkish, and just do it yourself. Never ever let anybody to help you buy Istanbul card or top up your Istanbul card. Never, as they know, and that's very quick, and you will be scammed. You pay the fee, you pay each and everything, but the guy who helped you gets the money on his own card. Your Istanbul card will be empty, gets nothing. So please consider this, remember this. If you ever travel to Istanbul, Turkey, and want to use public transportation, this is very important. There are a lot of scammers who try to help you, but never ever let anybody to help you. Do it just yourself, and it's okay, and you're good to go. You lose nothing if you do it yourself. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video, please. Thanks a lot, and have a nice day, evening, afternoon, wherever you are. See you on the next one.